something that's to a certain degree individual. So I wouldn't say that this is anything reflective of what may happen in that case.
Can you walk us back to the jail calls? You said that they made a big decision in your recommendation. That's what you spoke about when you first got up there. When you heard those calls, you mentioned 200 calls. What went through your mind?
Compassion fatigue. We have the state has approached this prosecution from a standpoint of compassion for Ms. Gutierrez, for her age, for her lack of experience, and my compassion came to an end.
Were you surprised the judge gave her the full maximum sentence?
I was not.
Do you have any reaction to her statement that she just spoke?
No, I don't. Thank you. I appreciate you guys.
Gloria, you going to speak?
Yeah.
Hey, Ms. Allred, how are you?
I'm sorry. Are you
No,
going to
no.
speak?
No, I'm not.
Oh, okay. All right, this is a challenge. Okay, I have some things. First of all, I have some things to give you. Okay. This is a statement of Olga that I read, if you would like a copy. Can we pass these around? Would you mind?
Sure thing.
This is Olga. Okay, and then
Thank you.
and also pass around statement of Svetlana. Yikes.
I can wheel around.
Can you do that, please? Thank you so much. And I also have the statement of Anatoly, which I'll pass around. Okay. It's windy. All right, thank you. That's it for that. Okay.
Yeah.
If you would like a video that was shown in court, I will give you a thumb drive of the video. Okay? But I don't have enough for everybody, but I will give you my email. And so if you do wish to email, you can upload to that. I will do that. But this is a thumb drive. It's Reuters. You're from?
I'm from Channel 7 here locally.
Court TV. Video.
CBS National News. Thank you.
Thank you.
One of those ABC
Okay.
National.
Okay, and we only have, yeah, definitely. Thank you.
Can I have one for the Spanish channel, please?
It's not in
Univision?
Spanish, though.
Univision? That's okay. I'll
Is it?
translate.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Can I have one as well?
You're from?
Channel 13.
Anyone else that didn't get? Okay, anyone else? From? Is that?
Print daily.
Do you need the video?
Yeah, we'll take it.
That's the last one I have. So anyone else? I'll give you my email. I'll give you my email. Now, last thing. Also, videos. still photos, which I'll give you afterwards. Okay. I'm happy to answer any questions about.
What do you think of the sentencing?
The family did not express what they think specifically the sentence should be, but they trusted the court to give the sentence that the court believed was just. I think clearly the sentence, the maximum of 18 months, and that this was a serious offender and a serious offense, was appropriate. I do not think the other two options that the court suggested were possible options, were options that should have been exercised by the court. Probation, clearly inadequate, and even just serving the remainder of 12 months essentially in jail rather than prison would not have been appropriate. I do think the prosecution did an excellent job in proving their case beyond a reasonable doubt, and we're looking forward to the next case.
What do you think this means for this next case when you're looking at trying to get justice for Halyna Hutchins and her family? What are you expecting come July now that you've seen this play out?
I'm expecting a jury that's going to give a fair trial not only to the defendant but also to Halyna Hutchins. May she rest in peace. Whatever happens, it's not going to bring Halyna back, but definitely, as the family has said, everyone who's responsible should have to face the consequences and be accountable.
Do you believe Alec Baldwin was part of that cascade of negligence that people talked about in the courtroom?
We support the prosecution of Alec Baldwin.
Was there anything about Ms. Gutierrez-Reed's statement that stood out to you, considering we haven't heard from her until today?
Nothing about the statement that Hannah Gutierrez gave in court today changed the fact that she should have to pay the ultimate price, which is possible under the law of New Mexico. And that's what she was ordered to do.
How would you describe the judge's comments at the end of the proceedings today?
I think the judge was very clear about the factual basis that supported her conclusion that the most serious option should be the one that she handed down. And I appreciated the fact that she explained why that was appropriate.
This is the same judge that's going to overseeing the proceedings against Baldwin.
It's going to be a different jury, perhaps the same judge, but there should still be a fair trial. And I know Mr. Baldwin's done everything he could to try to dismiss the case, but at this point it appears the trial's going forward. I might add that at this point, still, neither Hannah Gutierrez nor Mr. Baldwin has ever called Halyna's mother, Olga, to even say they were sorry for what happened. And you could see from the video that we showed in court how devastating this has been to Olga and to Anatoly and to Svetlana. Devastating does not begin to describe it. there'll be more from the family in the future. Thank you. I do have some still photos of see where. Okay. Yes. Oh, here's one of the photos.
Is it Connie?
You got this morning.
Yeah. I just wondered if I could get your number just to. Do you have
It's not, but it's
Oh, yeah. Well, Jason, the attorney, the defense, he already left. Yeah.
You don't mind? No, I don't. Did someone get?
Yeah, he slowly just kind of like slipped out of the corner.
Where are you heading? Do you need?
I'm just heading to my hotel, which is the old San Stadium.
Is it right there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, walk with me. I'm heading there also. You're
You're heading to that?
yeah.
Okay, good.
And you guys got a flash.
Oh, okay. Okay, sure.
I'll meet you over there.
Okay.
Oh, you got my.
I have your stuff. He has your other stuff. So we know you're going to come find us.
Yeah, we'll grab all our stuff and then I go back upstairs and then we just want to write your look live so we can probably head back out and go behind. We go up right. Here, I'll go wrap this up nicely by the car. I'll wrap this up nicely at the car.
Yeah. Well, you're right there, and then I'll wait.
Okay, I'll go grab my stuff.
Well, that's what Miss Allred said today, and we heard a video statement from Halyna Hutchins' mother, who is not saying that Miss Gutierrez was not remorseful enough, that she ultimately did not express any sort of remorse or the kind of accountability that the judge needed to hear in order to decrease potential sentences. And stress enough the jail phone calls that Gutierrez had made here in the last few weeks. The judge had mentioned those. The prosecution had mentioned those as having a significant impact on the way that the sentencing went down. Okay.
We're gonna go back to 3 minutes.
Yeah, it's at 3 o'clock.
20 minutes. My card's right there if you want to show. It's our tribute. They just launched you on the news.
So the defense is, they took it there with this over there, so they're going out and kind of launching the shed. Yeah. Defense attorneys said that they're going over the shed to have lunch. They invited them over.
Well, why don't I go over there and talk to them and try to get this stuff back here?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Or see if they want to do something later.
Right. Okay. All right.
We're going back live. Yeah, we'll be back on the 20th. So do we want to go back over there? Yeah, okay.
I'm just going to
So you off the camera, right? Right, well, I just want to make sure it wasn't off.
I'll leave the guy beyond 20.